Welcome to the ultimate guide for hosting a karaoke party at home. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, hosting a game night, or just looking to break the ice, a DIY karaoke setup is the perfect way to entertain without breaking the bank. Unlike costly all-in-one machines, this guide will walk you through setting up a high-quality karaoke experience at home using affordable equipment easily found on Amazon. We've all been to a karaoke night where the vibe is a bit flat. But with a well-chosen theme and some interactive games, you can make sure your party is buzzing with excitement and laughter all night long. Whether you're hosting for a group of close friends or throwing a big party, themes and games can be tailored to suit everyone. In this video, I'll break down how to set up a professional-sounding karaoke machine with budget-friendly equipment. Fun karaoke party themes that will keep your guests talking for weeks. Games and competitions to keep the energy high and interactive. Hosting tips to ensure the night runs smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Karaoke Hacks, for more budget-friendly karaoke tips, tricks, and setup hacks. Setting up your DIY karaoke machine. First, let's set up your karaoke machine. A great karaoke setup can be assembled with just a few pieces of affordable gear. I actually have a separate video of exactly how I did it, which you can watch here. But basically, here's a breakdown of what you need: an audio mixer, dynamic microphone, external speakers, a smart TV with YouTube, a few audio cables. Click on the link in the description below to watch the full video about it, or if you just want to buy them already, the links are also there. Karaoke party themes, picking the perfect vibe. Next, let's go to the themes. A theme sets the tone for the entire event and encourages guests to get into character, dress up, and really dive into the party mood. Here are some ideas to consider. 1. 80s versus 90s karaoke battle. Have your guests pick a side, Team 80s or Team 90s, and battle it out with the greatest hits from each decade. From Madonna and Michael Jackson to Britney Spears and Nirvana, you can create 2 playlists and have each team compete to see which decade reigns supreme. 2. Movie soundtrack showdown. Who doesn't love belting out movie classics like My Heart Will Go On from Titanic or Eye of the Tiger from Rocky? A movie soundtrack themed karaoke night is a great way to combine your love for films and music. Bonus points if guests come dressed as characters from their chosen movie. 3. Pop divas versus rock legends. Let your guests channel their inner Beyoncé or Freddie Mercury. This theme pits pop stars against rock gods in an epic sing-off. Encourage costumes and maybe even some lip syncing for those who need a confidence boost. 4. Disney karaoke night. For a family-friendly option or just an excuse to relive your childhood, a Disney-themed karaoke night will bring out the inner kid in everyone. Sing along to Let It Go or A Whole New World and watch everyone get nostalgic. 5. Karaoke costume party. Why not take your karaoke night up a notch by having a costume party? Guests can dress as their favorite singers or celebrities, and the best dressed performer could win a prize. Karaoke games and competitions to keep the fun going. Now that you've got your theme, let's make sure everyone stays involved throughout the night. These interactive games and competitions will keep the party energy high and ensure everyone has fun, whether they're singing or not. 1. Karaoke Roulette. Create a jar filled with slips of paper, each with a song title written on it. Guests randomly pick a song from the jar and must sing it, no matter how unfamiliar they are with it. This game is especially fun because it can lead to some hilarious performances. 2. Guess the singer. In this game, One person wears headphones and sings along to a song, but no one else can hear the music. The rest of the group has to guess which song they're singing based only on their vocal performance and body language. 3. Themed challenges. Want to add an extra twist to the performances? Try adding challenges like singing a love ballad in an over-the-top angry tone or performing a pop song as a country hit. These challenges bring out creativity and often some laugh-out-loud moments. 4. Duet off. Pair your guests up for duets, then have the crowd vote on the best duo. Songs like Islands in the Stream or Endless Love make perfect duet choices. 5. Lip sync battle. If someone isn't comfortable singing, encourage them to get involved by holding a lip sync battle. This lets your more introverted guests participate in a fun way without the pressure of actually singing. Hosting tips, making your karaoke night run smoothly. Now that you've got your themes and games planned, let's make sure you're ready to host like a pro. Here are a few practical tips to ensure the night goes off without a hitch. 1. Test your setup. Nothing kills the excitement faster than technical issues. Be sure to test all your equipment before guests arrive. Whether you're using a simple app or a DIY setup, run through a few songs yourself to ensure the sound and lyrics are working properly. 2. Keep the playlist balanced. A good host knows how to manage the energy in the room. Start with a few crowd pleasers, then let the more confident singers take over. But remember to pull back with some chill songs or ballads when the energy needs to wind down. 3. Encourage participation, but don't force it. Not everyone wants to be a superstar singer, and that's okay. Offer multiple ways for guests to get involved, like the lip sync battle, without pressuring them. Some people will happily cheer from the sidelines. 4. Have snacks and drinks ready. No party is complete without some refreshments. Set up a snack table with finger foods like chips, dips, and sliders. Make sure to have drinks available and consider adding a signature cocktail inspired by your theme like a Pop Diva Punch or a Rockstar Margarita. 5. Create a prize system. People love a little friendly competition. You can award small prizes for categories like Best Singer, Funniest Performance, or Most Spirited. It doesn't have to be expensive. Funny trophies, medals, or even karaoke-related gadgets like microphone keychains can do the trick. Final tips. Budget-friendly tip. Don't splurge on a karaoke machine. Use my setup, which is 80% cheaper than those expensive machines. So the themed nights. Don't be afraid to get creative with costumes or decorations to really set the party mood. Encourage participation. Remember, some people are shy. Games like lip sync battles are a fun way to include everyone without the pressure to sing. Now that you have all the tools to throw a memorable karaoke party, it's time to start planning. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Karaoke Hacks, for more tips and DIY ideas on creating the best karaoke setups and parties at home. And while you're here, check out our DIY karaoke setup video for more affordable ways to create a professional karaoke experience on a budget. Until next time, happy singing, and see you in the next video.